Hey guys, welcome to Acodemy, and in this freeCodeCamp tutorial we're gonna learn about regular expressions, remove white spaces from start and end. Now of course this will be easier done with the trim method, but since we're learning regex, let's use this. Let's write a regex to remove all the white space at the beginning of the word and at the end. And now for the exercise we have to use what we learned so far, so let's change this and put caret, then followed by all the white spaces. They can be 0 or many. Then we're gonna follow this with round brackets that we're gonna put the dot followed by 0 or more, then /s to get all the non-spaces. After that we're gonna draw outside the parentheses and put all the white spaces, and then they can be 0 or more, and of course this will be at the end, so the $sign is required. And for the result we're gonna simply put hello dot replace, and in round brackets we're gonna simply put vs regex period, and then using quotes number $1. So this will only get us the hello world part as required. Let's run the test, and it was way cool. So congratulations on finishing this regex tutorial, and see you in the next lesson.